Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the countdown feature on TikTok. So what you have to do is go to your TikTok profile and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And once you're here, just tap on timer. And here you can choose either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So for example, you choose 3 seconds, then that is the amount of time that it will take before it starts recording. If you tap on 10 seconds, the same way, it will take 10 seconds before your video starts recording. Now, you can also drag this to set your recording limit. For example, you want your video to last for only 6.5 seconds for some reason. Then you can just set it there, and when you tap on start countdown and your video starts to record, then after 6.5 seconds, the video will automatically stop. Let's try. So it's currently set to 10 seconds. That's why the countdown is until 10. So let's see if it will stop at 6.5 seconds. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.